Welcome back. I am happy you are here again. In the last 2 episodes, we followed Mia. She works hard, but her money disappears. She fell into the poverty trap. Now Mia wants to change, but she does not know where to start. Today, we talk about the first and most important step. It is not about saving more money. It is not about earning more money. It is about how you think about money. It is about your money mindset. Your mindset is the way you think. It shapes everything you do. If you think money is bad, you will push it away. If you think you can never be rich, you will not try. But if you change how you think, you change what you do, and that changes your life. Today, we will look at the money mindset, and we will help Mia change hers. One evening, Mia sits at her table. She has her notebook in front of her. She writes, "I will never have enough money." She stops. She looks at that sentence and she asks, "Is this true, or is this just a belief?" This is a very important question. Many of our money beliefs are not facts. They are just old stories we tell ourselves. Where do these stories come from? They come from our past. Maybe your parents said we are not the kind of people who have money. Maybe you grew up without money, so you learned to think small. Maybe someone told you rich people are greedy, so you felt guilty about wanting money. These are called limiting beliefs. They limit what you think is possible. And limiting beliefs are very dangerous because they feel true, but they are not. Mia had many limiting beliefs. Let us look at 3 of them. Limiting belief number 1, money is for other people, not for me. This belief makes you feel that saving or growing money is not for someone like you. But this is not true. Money does not choose people. People choose money. Limiting belief number 2. If I save, I will miss out on life. Many people think saving means suffering, no fun, no enjoyment. But this is wrong. Saving gives you freedom. Freedom is enjoyment. Freedom is peace. Limiting belief number 3. I am bad with money. I always will be. This is the most dangerous belief. It says you cannot change. But managing money is a skill, and skills can be learned by anyone. Mia reads her 3 limiting beliefs again. Then she crosses them out. She writes new sentences next to each one. Instead of, money is for other people, she writes, money is for anyone who learns how to use it. Instead of, saving means missing out, she writes, saving means building freedom. Instead of, I am bad with money, she writes, I am learning to be good with money. These new sentences are called empowering beliefs. They open doors instead of closing them. Now Mia also changes how she talks about money every day. Before, she said, I cannot afford this. Now she asks, how can I afford this? This is a small change in words, but it is a big change in thinking. I cannot afford, this closes your mind. It stops you from looking for solutions. How can I afford this? Opens your mind. it starts a search for answers. Mia also starts to learn about money. She reads short articles. She watches simple videos. Every week she learns one new thing about money. Just one. That is enough. Knowledge builds confidence. Confidence builds action. Action builds results. Mia is not the same person she was 2 weeks ago. She thinks differently now. And different thinking leads to a different life. You can do this too. Start with one question tonight. Ask yourself, what do I believe about money, and is that belief really true? Today we learned about the money mindset. Your beliefs about money are not facts, they are stories, and stories can be changed. Find your limiting beliefs, cross them out, write new ones. Change, I cannot afford this too. How can I afford this? Learn one new thing about money every week, just one. Mia is changing her mindset. She is becoming a different person, a stronger one. You can change too. It starts in your mind, right now. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. It helps this channel grow. Share this with someone who needs a change in thinking today. See you in the next episode.